Diets are like winning the lottery. Everyone has high hopes, but it rarely pans out. They're difficult. They rarely help you tackle your hunger and cravings. Most of them just don't work. Part of the problem is most people try to lose weight to get healthy when they should instead try to get healthy to lose weight. But what does it all actually mean? Get healthy? Get healthy is not low-calorie starvation diets, surgery, medications, and those sugary protein bars. Get healthy must include nutrient-dense foods that provide all of your nutrient requirements. With that in mind, Dr. Berg's healthy keto diet works differently. Without turning this into a science class, starting a healthy keto diet means putting your body into the state of ketosis. Ketosis is very different. A ketone is an alternative fuel source for your cells, which give you more than double the energy compared to glucose. Ketones are also a cleaner fuel with unique antioxidant properties that can fight inflammation. To do that, say goodbye to these and hello to these. To get into ketosis, your food should switch from high carb to low carb. It's that simple. Getting rid of carbs means getting rid of glucose. But your body will tap into its fat reserves only after all the glucose is gone. This switch from glucose to fat is called keto adaptation. To avoid transitional fatigue, take some electrolytes, salt, and B vitamins. Within 3 days, you're now in ketosis and your brain and body love it. To speed up your results, add in intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is just as powerful as ketosis. Amazing things happen when you do intermittent fasting. Better memory and concentration to a much faster metabolism. On top of that, your cravings will disappear and you won't be so hungry, allowing you to go much longer between meals. The combo of healthy keto and intermittent fasting creates some serious healthy insides. So you not only lose weight and look good, but feel good with energy, focus, and vitality. Now, I have a question for you. Are you willing to make a few lifestyle changes if I make it easy to follow? If your answer is yes, download your plan now to get started.